Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best front and rear dash cam Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K Dashcam. 2-channel Dashcam setups are sufficient for most drivers, but taxi and rideshare drivers would likely want to look into a 3-channel setup for an additional cabin cam. Just like a dash camera, recording out of the front of your vehicle helps protect you in the case of an accident by documenting what really happened, a cabin cam can protect rideshare drivers should a passenger cause an issue during a ride. Or maybe you just want to create YouTube compilations of your weirdest passengers. Either way, this is a great option if you're in the market for an affordable 3-channel dash cam setup. Its front camera records 4K video at 30 frames per second, with the rear and interior cameras both recording at 1080p. The cabin cam includes 4 IR LED lights that help to illuminate the inside of the car without disturbing the driver or any passengers. This is a great option for rideshare drivers wanting to add a layer of security to their work. Number 2. Our second best pick is Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. All the 2 and 3-channel, ultra-high-resolution dash cams are great options if you need the additional coverage and features they offer, but if all you're looking for is a simple, out-of-sight dash camera, then this is a serious contender. At the size of a car key, this cam can discreetly mount behind your rearview mirror with a minimal footprint. It records in 1080p video at 30 frames per second through its 140-degree field of view Garmin Clarity HDR optics. Although this is relatively stripped back in its functions, it still offers a parking guard feature, live view through the Garmin app, and Wi-Fi file transfer. Users can also operate the Mini 2 through voice controls. Using spoken commands, you can start/stop audio recording, take pictures, save videos, and more. While the 1080p resolution might rule out the Mini 2 as an option for drivers who need more detailed video, it remains a great minimalist option. Get more awareness around your vehicle using the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone to view video from up to 4 dash cams, sold separately. Number 3. Our third best pick is Rexing V1P 4K Car Dash Cam. This cam is one of the most budget-friendly, 2-channel 4K dash cams available today. The front camera captures 4K video at an ultra-wide 170-degree field of view. Thanks to its 8MP CMOS sensor, this cam produces native 4K video, but be warned, many supposedly 4K cameras, including some of Rexing's cheaper options, are only 2K cameras digitally upscaled to 4K. If you find yourself needing to read a license plate number from a hit and run, it's important to know you're getting the resolution you're paying for. Thanks to the integration of the same Sony Starvis tech found in the U1000, it offers solid low-light recording performance, although some users say it still fails to match the quality of Thinkware's nighttime performance. It also features a G-sensor parking mode, built-in Wi-Fi for file transfer, and a supercapacitor. MicroSD cards up to 256 GB are compatible with this one. Compared to the U1000, the V1P is a fairly stripped-back option, but if all you need is to record the road around you, this cam is an exceptional value. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Thinkware U1000 Flagship Dual-Channel Dash Cam. This range of dash cams runs the gamut on prices and features, with this cam standing as their pinnacle offering. With a 4K UHD, 30 frames per second front camera and a 2K QHD, 30 frames per second camera in the rear, this one offers the best outright resolution on the market today. The front camera also can record in 2K QHD at 60 frames per second if speed takes precedence over outright resolution for your uses. Sony's Starvis sensor integration helps to make it one of the best low-light dash cams available. Alongside its industry-leading video capabilities, this one also comes with a host of other features. Thinkware Cloud allows you to locate your vehicle, receive impact notifications, and view a live feed of the cameras all through an app on your smartphone. Their road safety warning system can provide a forward collision warning and a lane departure alert. Its safety camera alert function can warn you of approaching red light and speed cameras on the road. At just under $600, this cam is easily one of the most expensive options out there, and for good reason. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is BlackVue DR900X-2CH DMS Plus. Widely considered Thinkware's biggest competitor, BlackVue makes a large range of premium dash cams for every need. This one stands at the top of its offerings, with an 8MP CMOS sensor recording 4K UHD, 30 frames per second video at the front. While it does rival the U1000 in its front camera performance, we placed it here for its unique AI-powered driver monitoring system. The AI algorithm detects issues such as drowsy driving, distracted driving, hand distraction, and more. After detecting any awareness issues, the system emits a beep and LED blinking signals to alert the driver. For someone who commonly drives long distances, BlackVue's driver monitoring system expands this one from simply recording an accident to helping prevent it from happening in the first place. The infrared AI-powered camera records the interior of your vehicle while monitoring the driver. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.